Hey guys, welcome back, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys. So in case you don't know, the other day, I think it was like 4 days ago now, I ordered two very interesting light bulbs from Amazon. And one of the two bulbs has come in. The other one is still out there awaiting its arrival to my house, but this one is here. It just came in earlier today. So we are going to open this one up today on video. Now the two bulbs I ordered were a Philips soak line adapter and a really interesting Philips Halogen PAR20 bulb. I'm not sure which one is going to be in this box. I think either one could be in here, but I'm going to lean more towards it being the soak line adapter, because I don't hear anything shaking around in there when I shake this. And the soak line adapter should be just about as big as this box. But without further ado, we'll go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So I have my scissors here, and we are just going to cut this box open. Let me get that slided under there, maybe. Make things a whole lot easier. Here we go. We'll get the other side here. Get that slid under there. Okay, well that works. Jeez. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see what's inside. And it's the little halogen bulb. Look at that. How cool does that look? I'll give you a little view. You'll notice something really cool right here. Energy Advantage Halogen PAR20 Electronic Integrated Electronic. See back panel for details. Integrated electronics operate at 120 volts. No need for transformer. What could that possibly mean? Well, you guys probably can already tell right now. This is a low voltage halogen capsule on an electronic halogen transformer that's integrated into this little bulb. When I saw this on Amazon, I was like, that is the coolest halogen PAR20 bulb I've ever seen. You'll notice here it says 5,000 hours. As far as I can tell, that is only achievable through a low voltage halogen capsule. I have not seen any, as far as I can tell, I have not seen any 5,000 hour halogen 120 volt bulbs without the transformer. So I think the benefit of this is lamp lifespan, which is very interesting. You'll also notice this is only 20 watts, 220 lumens. This is a very dim PAR20 bulb, which I think would be really nice for accent lighting, stuff like that. Most halogen PAR20 bulbs are either 35 watts, 39 watts, which I believe is an energy efficient replacement for 50 watts, and well, 50 watts. So to have a low wattage 20 watt bulb, pretty dim bulb, that is very interesting. Well, suppose we'll go ahead and open this up, see what the bulb inside looks like. Ooh, there it is. Oh wow, that looks cool. Wow, that's a cool looking PAR20 bulb. This almost looks like the mirrored reflector or MR bulbs, kind of. This is plastic, not ceramic, which would kind of make me a little bit worried about the heat from the halogen bulb. At least I don't think it's ceramic. It definitely feels like plastic. PAR20 electronic. Self-ballasted lamp. Yes, that tells you everything you need to know. This is a 12 volt or something. I'm assuming it's 12 volts because that's a pretty standard voltage for halogen bulbs. I'm assuming this is a 12 volt halogen bulb on an electronic transformer here in a standard bulb. Just look at that. That looks so cool. A lot cooler than your typical PAR20 bulb. I suppose we'll go ahead and turn this on. Screw it in. And we'll turn it on in 3, 2, 1. And there it is. Wow, is that a nice beam. Look at that. It says it's 25 degrees. I'm assuming they're including this spill out over here. I'd say the actual beam of this is maybe more like 10 degrees. It's pretty tight. Here's what it looks like there. Definitely looks like an MR bulb. Yeah, that's a pretty nice light. Of course, it's halogen, so it's gonna have that 2900K light instead of typical incandescent 2700K. That is just so cool. You can see there is a little bit of spill. I'm assuming that's where they're getting the 25 degrees from. That is just so cool. Look at that. Isn't that just the coolest thing you've ever seen? Okay, I've said that enough times now. We'll turn it off. Turn the regular lights back on. The package in here. This is a really cool package. I like the color choice. It looks kind of like their packaging that they used in the 2000s. Except it's like not the stripes or whatever they are. It's one solid thing. It just looks really cool. And I'll give you a closer view of that. Well, that was fun. I enjoyed unboxing this bulb on video, and I hope you did as well. And I'll release a video once that soap line adapter comes in. I'll unbox that on video too. Well, anyway, there you have it. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time.